guys, for the Maestro requirement, we need to play 2 tunes of a instrument, and so we're here at the Martins. Here at the Martins guitar, so we're gonna go learn how to play guitar or something. And there's a bunch of guitars on the wall that we can play, so I'm just playing a normal guitar. I don't really know how to play it, I'm just doing whatever. This is a chord, and this is a strum. So you want to put your fingers like that, and then you want to put your fingers like that, and then you can just do this. What's the mixer?
So when we take a guitar and we plug it into an electronic, this is an amp, but it has 2 channels. So it works sort of like a mixer. If you imagine this being cut in half, I'm only going into this half of it. So these knobs right here affect what I'm doing, and these knobs right here would affect someone else. So maybe we would take a microphone and we can plug it into this side. And the cool thing about a mixer is that it would let me have independent control over the guitar on one side and the microphone on the other side. That way, maybe I want to have a little bit more reverb. That's an effect. Typically, you would have more reverb on vocals than you would have on guitar. So if that's where I like my reverb on my guitar, if I ran a microphone into this side, I might turn this one up, and that would give me more reverb in my microphone than I have on my guitar. And really, that's the main purpose of a mixer, is to give you independent control like that over 2 different things. And then, when I get all those dialed in the way I want them separately, I have a master volume. That's the volume for the whole thing. So that'll turn up my guitar and my microphone at the same time, so that maybe I just want it louder in this room. Okay?
Could you play 2 tunes?
I sure can. They're programmed to destroy us. You're welcome. It was nice to meet you.
We're not allowed to video in the factory that we're going in soon. And this is kind of what it looks like. It has the tools, it has different types of versions of guitars. So yeah, we're almost about to go in. So we're not allowed to video in there, but we'll take lots of pictures and we'll post them. So let's go. You know that Martin builds a lot of their guitars by hand in automation and robots. So much details goes into each guitar. This is a really big guitar. It's bigger than I am. This takes a lot of skill. This is really cool artwork they could put on their guitar. This is kind of cool how they made the guitars using forms. More automations. That's a lot of guitars. They're in rows. Guitars take a lot of sanding. Look at all these necks of a guitar. Wow, what one would you like to buy? These are really expensive. Look at the cool green in these guitars. Watch these robots buff the guitars. This is really cool. It's paint time! The acoustic pickup of a guitar. The finished product before it's shipped to its new owners. So guys, we just finished the tour. That was pretty cool. It's pretty cool how you could see how the guitars were made and different stuff. So yeah, this is about the end of this video. Hopefully you did enjoy. Please like, please subscribe, and also please comment. And guys, I'll see you all in the next video.